Good morning, children. Today we will discuss about the digestive system, second part of digestive system. Okay, of which one? Cockroach. Last little bit information is there. That one we are going to discuss. Okay, digestive glands. What are those? The digestive glands. Digestive glands. The digestive glands of digestive glands of cockroach. The digestive glands of cockroach consists of the digestive glands of cockroach consists of the salivary glands. Salivary glands. Next, the glandular cells. The glandular cells. Which one? The glandular cells and hepatic CK, the glandular cells and hepatic CK. Okay, glandular cells and hepatic CK. Next, a pair of salivary glands. A pair of salivary glands is found. A pair of salivary glands is found on either side, okay, of the crop, either side of the crop, in the thorax, okay. The glandular cells. Next, the glandular cells, okay, the glandular cells of the midgut, the glandular cells of midgut and what you called hepatic or gastric CK produce digestive juices. Okay, children, this is the little part about which one? The digestive system. Next one, we are going to discuss about the respiratory system. We are discussing about cockroach respiratory. What you called respiratory system. We are going to discuss about cockroach respiratory system. The respiratory system of cockroach is well developed respiratory system. First one. Next, branched tubes called branched tubes will be there. Branched tubes known as trachea. Branched tube is known as trachea, open through 10 pairs of small holes. Which one? The small holes called spiracles. Small holes are called spiracles or stigmata. Spiracles are what is called stigmata. Next, present on the lateral side of the body. Lateral side of the body. Okay, children, this is important. Terminal branches. Next, terminal branches. What is called terminal branches of tracheal tubes. Of tracheal tubes. Terminal branches of tracheal tubes. Okay, are called which one? Tracheoles. Which one? They're called tracheoles. Tracheoles which carry very important, which carry oxygen to the entire body. This is important. The spiracles open the spiracles. What is called? Open the spiracles. Open and close the spiracles. Open. Okay. Open and closed by valves. Regulated by what is called? Regulated by sphincter. What is called? Sphincter. Regulated by sphincter or what is called? Spirocular muscles. This is important. Each tracheal. Okay. Each tracheole is filled with a watery fluid. Each tracheole is filled with a watery fluid through which okay, a watery fluid through which exchange of okay, gaseous takes place. Exchange of gaseous takes place. Next, during high muscular activity, during high muscular activity. Okay, during high muscular activity, a part of the fluid is drawn into the tissue to enable more oxygen intake and rapid diffusion. Okay, rapid diffusion. The passage of air in the tracheal system is number one, spiracles. Number two, trachea. Trachea. Next, what is called? Tracheoles. Next, tissues. Okay, this one is a very, very important concept. Okay, children, what we have to remember, the digestive system of the cockroach is pending is there. That one we are discussing. So, the digestive glands of cockroach consists of the. So, yesterday we discussed the foregut, midgut and hindgut, hepatic cecum, Malpighian and tubules, like that we discussed in the last class. But here what we have to discuss is the digestive glands of cockroach consist of the salivary glands. the glandular cells and the hepatic CK. So glandular cells and hepatic CK. A pair of salivary glands is found either side of the crop. So glandular cells are there, no? These also secretes enzymes. Hepatic CK also secretes enzymes. A pair of salivary glands also found in either side of the crop in the thorax. So the glandular cells of the midgut and hepatic gastric CK produce which one? Digestive juices which are helpful for the digestion of food. Once again, the digestive gland of cockroach consists of the salivary glands. They secrete saliva. The glandular cells and hepatic CK. Okay, these are things are there. A pair of salivary glands is found in either side of the crop in the thorax. The glandular cells and the midgut, and hepatic CK or gastric CK produce which one? Digestive juices. Come to the next one, the respiratory system. The well-developed respiratory system is well-developed. So there will be, compared with all other insects in the arthropoda, the respiratory system is well-developed. There will be branched tubes are there in the respiratory system known as trachea. Open through 10 pairs of small holes called spiracles. What are called? Open through 10 pairs of small holes called spiracles or stigmata present on the lateral side of the body. Terminal branches of tracheal tubes are called tracheoles which carry oxygen to the entire body. The spiracles open and close by valves regulated by sphincter or spiracular muscles. Sphincter or spiracular muscles. Each tracheole is filled with watery fluid through which exchange of gases. So water fluid is there through which exchange of gases takes place. During high muscular activity, a part of the fluid is drawn into the tissue to enable more oxygen intake, rapid diffusion. The passage of air is the tracheal system is spiracles, trachea, tracheoles, tissues. Spiracles, trachea, tracheoles, tissues. So this is the spiracles to trachea, trachea to tracheoles, tracheoles to tissues. This is the passage of which one? This one, respiratory passage. Okay, children, we are discussing respiratory system. Well developed respiratory system. They have branched tubes known as trachea, open through 10 pairs of small holes called spiracles or stigmata present on the lateral side of the body. Terminal branches of tracheal tubes are called tracheoles which carry oxygen to the entire body. Tracheoles which carries the entire body. The spiracles open and close by walls open and close by walls regulated by sphincter or spiracular muscles. Each trachea is filled with a watery fluid through which exchange of gases takes place. Watery fluid is there in the trachea. Each tracheole. During high muscular activity, a part of the fluid is drawn into the tissues to enable more oxygen intake and rapid diffusion. The passage of air is the tracheal system is spiracles, trachea, tracheoles and tissues. Okay, children, like that there will be respiration process will be there in the which one? The cockroaches. Next one is we are going to discuss about another important system, that is circulatory system. What is called? The circulatory. What is called? The circulatory system of the cockroach we are going to discuss. We are going to discuss about which one? The circulatory system. This is a very important concept. Children, we are discussing about which one? Circulatory system. Yes, circulatory system. Circulatory system. First one, periplaneta has an open type. Periplaneta has an open type of circulatory system. Circulatory system. This is important. Circulatory system. Next, blood vessels. Next point, blood vessels. Blood vessels are, what I said, blood vessels are poorly developed and opens into fully developed and opens into the hemocoel. This is important. Hemocoel. Okay, in which the blood or hemolymph is hemolymph flows freely. Next, visceral organs. Visceral organs located. The visceral organs. Okay, the visceral organs located in the. Okay, visceral organs located in the hemocoel. Okay, hemocoel are bathed in blood. Okay, this is important. Next, the hemolymph is colorless. This is important. The hemolymph is colorless and consists of the hemolymph is colorless and consists of plasma. Okay, and hemocytes okay, consists of hemocytes which are phagocytic in nature. Okay, children, that is important. Heart is next point we are discussing. Okay, the heart. What is that? Heart is heart is an elongated tube. Heart is an elongated tube. Okay, heart is an elongated tube. Okay, with muscular wall. Lying. Okay, muscular wall lying mid-dorsally. Okay, mid-dorsally. Okay, beneath the thorax. This is important. Next, the heart consists of number one, 13 chambers. Heart consists of 13 chambers with ostia. Okay, 13 chambers with ostia on either side. Okay, either side. This is important. The blood from the sinuses. This is important, right? The blood from the sinuses. Enters. Enter the what you called the blood from the sinuses enters the heart through what you called heart through. Okay, the ostia. This is important, right? And is pumped. Okay, and is pumped anteriorly okay, anteriorly to sinus again. This is important. The triangular muscle. Next, the triangular muscle. the triangular, okay, what you call the triangular muscle, the triangular muscle, okay, muscles that are, okay, that are responsible, the triangular muscles that are responsible for blood circulation, for blood circulation, okay, blood circulation in the blood circulation in the what you called in the cockroach are called the cockroach are called the cockroach are called what you called Ellery muscles, Ellery muscles. Next, that is important, right? Ellery muscles. One pair of these muscles, one pair of these muscles, one pair of these muscles, one pair of these muscles is found in one pair of these muscles is found in, okay, is found in each segment, each segment, each segment. One pair of these muscles are found in each segment on either side, on either side, okay, on either side of the heart, on either side of the heart. Next, in cockroach, what I'm saying is, in cockroach, okay, there is an what you called accessory, okay, accessory, oh, pulsatile, okay, pulsatile vesicle, okay, accessory pulsatile vesicle at the base of each antennae, each antennae, okay, which also pumps blood, okay, children, observe very carefully. Here we are discussing about the circulatory system. Periplaneta has an open type of circulatory system. What is the open type of circulation system? When the blood flow in the sinuses, not in the blood vessels like arteries and veins, the blood flow in the sinuses, in the sense that kind of circulatory system is called open type of circulatory system. The circulatory system blood vessels are poorly developed and opens into the hemocoel. And opens into the which one? Hemocoel, in which the blood or hemolymph flows freely. Okay, opens into the cavity. Hemocoel means cavity, in which the blood or hemolymph will be flows freely. Visceral organs located in hemocoel are bathed in the blood. So organs like what you call the intestine, okay, such kind of parts, heart, they will be bathed in the blood. The hemolymph is colorless, no hemoglobin, and consists of which one? Plasma, and consists of which one? Plasma and hemocytes, which are phagocytic in nature, Heart is phagocytic, means which kills the germs. Which one? Hemocytes. Heart is an elongated tube with muscular wall lying mid-dorsally. So mid-dorsally, beneath the thorax, the tube will be present. The heart consists of how many chambers? Very important bit. 13 chambers with ostia. Okay. On either side, the blood from the sinuses enters the heart through the ostia and pumped anterior to sinuses again. So pumped to the sinus again. The triangular muscles that are responsible for the blood circulation are called Ellery muscles. Very, very important. Ellery muscles. One pair of these muscles is found in each segment on either side of the heart. Each segment Ellery muscles are there. In cockroach, there is this accessory pulsatile vesicle also there. Pulsatile vesicle at the base of each segment antennae, which also pumps the blood. See, now this is a condition what you called the heart of which one? The heart. Like this, this will be opening it will be blood will flow. When close, blood will not flow. Like this is ostia. Like this, it will be come back. These are the how many chambers? 13 chambers heart. Here what you call triangular. What muscles are there? LRA muscles are also present in the circulatory system of cockroach. Okay, periplanet has an open type of circulatory system. Blood vessels are poorly developed and opens into hemocoel, in which the blood or hemolymph flows freely. Visceral organs located in the hemocoel are bathed in blood. The hemolymph is colorless and consists of plasma and hemocytes, which are phagocytic in nature. Heart is an elongated tube with muscular wall lying mid-dorsally beneath the thorax. The heart consists of 13 chambers with ostia on either side. The blood from the sinuses enters the heart through the ostia. This is ostia, okay, and pumped anteriorly to sinus again, okay, to triangular muscles. The triangular muscles that are responsible for the blood circulation are called, what are called? LRA muscles. These are LRA muscles. One pair of these muscles found in each segment. Here one Alre muscle, here one Alre muscle, here Alre muscle, here Alre muscle. Like that, each segment have Alre muscles on either side of the heart. In cockroach, there are an accessory pulsatile vesicle. Very important bit. Pulsatile vesicle at the base of each antennae, which also pumps the blood. Accessory pulsatile vesicle, which are also helpful for the pumping of the blood. Okay, children, thank you so much. Next, with another system. What is another system we are going to discuss? Nervous system in the cockroach. We will discuss in the next class. Thank you so much, children.